by far the coolest fire pit table. I did a ton of research, so if you are looking for a fire pit table, this is the best one that I found on Amazon, and I love it. There's several levels of the heat. You can go like low to medium to high. Right now it's on medium. Let me crank it up to high for you. The knob is just right over here. That's the roaring high. And it gives such a great heat too. So you can make s'mores with this at night. You can hang out around the fire pit. Even during the day if it's a little chilly, it's nice to have it as well. So this is the highest setting. I usually like to keep it at the middle. So that's the middle. Not quite as roaring, but still giving you some really good heat to it. And then the propane tank sits below. So it sits in here and there's like a little gate that opens for that propane tank. And I thought that was really important. I don't know if you know this about fire pit tables, but sometimes the propane tank is actually outside of it and you have to have a little hose running, which I just think is a little awkward if you're entertaining. Someone could trip over it. So it's nice that it can be inside this and it's out of sight. Propane tanks are not the most beautiful thing to look at, so it's great that it's out of sight.
I think this is just such a beautiful fire pit table. The dark top, the gorgeous wicker, and the beautiful fire rocks.